growing trend for battery-powered jigsaws reflects the need for portable, versatile cutting tools among DIYers, woodworkers, and contractors. These cordless models provide freedom from tangled cords while delivering strong performance and precision. List number: the Dewalt DCS335B is a high-performance cordless jigsaw designed with a barrel grip handle for superior control and comfort during extended use. Operating at a blade speed of 3,200 SPM strokes per minute, it delivers smooth and precise cuts through wood, metal, and plastics. Its tool-free blade change system allows for quick adjustments, while the variable speed trigger provides full control for different materials. The orbital action settings offer versatility for aggressive cuts or smooth, fine finishes. Built with Dewalt's rugged quality, the DCS335B is perfect for professional contractors and serious DIYers who value portability without sacrificing cutting power. Note that this is a bare tool. Battery and charger are sold separately. List number 2. Dewalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw 3200 blade speed cordless brushless motor. The Dewalt 20V Max XR stands out for its brushless motor, which increases runtime and durability while maintaining a high cutting speed of 3,200 SPM. This makes it ideal for heavy-duty cutting tasks and professional use. Its compact design and comfortable handle provide excellent maneuverability, while the 4-position orbital action allows for clean or aggressive cuts depending on the material. The integrated dust blower helps keep the cutting line clear for greater accuracy. This jigsaw also offers tool-free blade changes and bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees, adding versatility for angled cuts. Built for precision and power, the Max XR is a premium choice for those who demand maximum performance from a cordless tool. List number 3. Worx WX550L 20V PowerShare Axis Cordless Reciprocating and Jigsaw. The Worx WX550L combines the functions of a jigsaw and reciprocating saw in one innovative design, making it one of the most versatile options in this roundup. Its 20V PowerShare battery is interchangeable with other Worx tools, adding convenience and value. With its pivoting head, users can quickly switch between jigsaw and reciprocating modes for different cutting applications. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to use in tight spaces and reduces fatigue during extended projects. Ideal for DIYers who need a multi-purpose tool for wood, metal, PVC, and more, the WX550L delivers solid cutting performance at an affordable price. List number 4. Skil Power Core Brushless 20V Jigsaw, including 2.0H battery and charger, JS8290B10. The Skil Power Core JS8290B10 is a feature-rich jigsaw powered by a brushless motor, ensuring extended battery life and enhanced cutting performance. Unlike many competitors, this model comes with a 2.0H battery and charger included, making it a great value for beginners or budget-conscious buyers. Its variable speed control allows for precise cuts across different materials, while the orbital settings offer flexibility for fast or fine cuts. The lightweight ergonomic design improves handling and reduces vibration, making it comfortable for long sessions. For those seeking a complete package with battery and charger included, this Skil jigsaw is a smart, reliable option. List number 5. black+decker 20V Max Power Connect Cordless Jigsaw, BDCJS20C. The black+decker BDCJS20C offers a balance of affordability and performance for light to medium cutting tasks. Powered by a 20V Max battery, it provides adequate runtime and cutting speed for DIY projects and home repairs. Its tool-free blade release simplifies blade changes, while the beveling shoe allows for angled cuts up to 45 degrees. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, especially for beginners. While not as powerful as premium models, the BDCJS20C is a reliable and budget-friendly cordless jigsaw for occasional use and small projects.